Here's my helmet, and the one up there is a one-day hunter clock. I got this for $150 on Facebook Marketplace. What was the difference about this clock? It's the small size of the cuckoo clock. Almost the size of my hand. Here's a pendulum and its weave. Those are the dead animals right there. There's horn right there. Deer head on top. A bag. It's a one-weight clock, so it has small weights. Plus, they are wider than an 8-day weight. Here's a side view of it. There's no door to get into it, which is unfortunate. The side movement. This clock has no problems when I got it. Has been recently oiled and from the cello. It's now looking good. That pendulum, I had my own adjustments in it. There's a change moving, so you can see the chains go all the way to the bottom. Here's a close-up of a road. Pretty much identical to the YouTube channel called Willsy's 30-hour small cuckoo clock. That bird. It's unlocked everywhere. I even checked the movement brand. Not even a single logo was found. It's a bit frustrating because most of the clocks forgot to use the logo like in a dial or in a movement or on the back side. Okay, here's it chiming. Did you hear whacking snail sound? I'll bring again. Listen. That's the whacking snail dropping down. And of course, because it uses a whacking snail movement, it's safe to turn back. Here are the weights right there. I'll line them up. So you just saw me wind up a cuckoo clock. There's Germany. Oh, sorry if I'm shaking the camera. There's a that cuckoo clock has been in Germany. And I, of course, have nothing to say more about the clock. So yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. And I'll see you guys, next weekend. A few days. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering about that DNA video, it's down. It currently in a repair room in the basement. Currently being repaired because it keeps on stopping for some reason. Probably made it worse due to the oil. So yeah, everyone, thanks for watching.